all of the objects here are cast in molds that are recycled from the ceramic hobby industry. So the molds age from 1940s to the 70s. And all of these figurines and vessels and knickknacks, there's flora and fauna and humorous pieces and that are pretty much have echoes of a lot of the Majolica, the themes in the Majolica that are here. So that's in part why it's here. And then for this piece in particular, and for this show in particular, so it would function as something of a memorial to the pottery workers in Staffordshire that really died of lead poisoning, because all of these gorgeous glazes in the Majolica are lead-based. So to make this function like that, I constructed some of my own figurines. So there's these two women at the top that are models that I dressed in 19th century clothing and scanned and prototyped them and made these porcelain figurines. So they're pouring a picture as they might in a factory, I suppose, testing the wares. And then in the center, there's one a portrait of the paintress painting a vessel. And so that tied it in even more with the show.